What's going on, guys? Making this video today to hopefully finish up this AC on the Civic. I installed the dryer receiver last night. You guys can see that right there. I installed that last night. I tightened up the belt on the AC, and then I put the power steering pump back on, put the belt back on, and also this power steering reservoir. So I think I put back the components that I took out the night before. So everything looks good. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try to recharge the system. But before I do that, I made an AutoZone run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change out the Schrader valves on both ports, low side and high side. Most of the leaks come from the Schrader valves, and so I don't want to go and try to recharge the system and then find out later on that I have a leak right there. But of course I'm gonna go and try to pull vacuum out the system first and see if the vacuum holds. If it holds, then we'll go ahead and fill it up. So I got on my my vacuum pump and my AC manifold right there, if you guys can see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and get started. All right. All right, so I got this AC repair kit, and it comes with the removal tool along with the caps and the Schrader valves. Alright, so let me put this back. And then I'm gonna keep the old Schrader valves just in case. And it comes with a cap, so I think I'm gonna use these caps afterwards. Alright guys, so earlier the gauges were stuck, and I think I had to just open and close this all the way. Okay. And so that's fully open. But earlier it was stuck, so I had to close it, and then as I was pulling vacuum, close it and then open it back up. So now with the vacuum on, that the low side should be about negative 27, and then the high side is a little bit more. So I'm gonna let it run like this for about 20 minutes, and then we'll turn off the pump, and then we'll see if the vacuum holds. Alright guys. Alright, so I just turned off the vacuum pump, and I'm looking at the gauges now, and I left the lines open. I didn't touch it, and that's what it's reading. So I'm gonna leave it like that for, I don't know, 30 minutes, and if it holds, if it's in the same spot, then I'll go ahead and start filling the system in. All right. All right, guys. It's been about an hour now. So let's check it. And yep, it looks good. No leaks. It's holding vacuum. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up, and I'll show you guys what I use to go ahead and fill this up. All right, hold on a second. All right, guys. So I'm just going to use this to recharge the system. I don't really like using the manifold gauge to do it, just because there's too much lead hose, you know, on using the manifold gauges, and I'd rather use this. It's shorter, and so, you know, I'm not wasting any Freon inside. But it's the same concept, really. Just put this on like this. But so what I was gonna do, the Civic. Wait, let me show you guys this. So that's the system requirement for the AC. You guys can see that. All right. And so I was gonna put this stop leak detector and this oil charge. Now I think each of them is saying that they're about 3 ounces each. Yeah, about 3 ounces each. So, and then this one is 12. So I think max that I can put in the system is 19, and this is going to be over 19. This is 20. Yeah, this is about 30 30 ounces. But what I was going to do was this one, the stop leak detector. This is a one-time use, so once you puncture that, you got to use the whole thing. And then this one is, it seals itself. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna use partial of that, and then partial of one of the cans. And you know, this hose has a gauge anyways, and so it'll be able to tell us if it's full or not. So, all right, guys, let me get started.